Is Python worth learning in 2026? Let's find out. Everyone says Python is the best programming language to learn. But in 2026, with AI writing code and new technologies appearing every month, is Python still worth learning? In this video, we'll look at the facts and find out whether Python is still a smart choice for beginners. Python became popular because it is easy to read, beginner-friendly, and extremely versatile. It is used in web development, automation, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and many other fields. In 2026, Python remains one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It continues to dominate AI and machine learning development and is heavily used in automation, back-end development, and data analysis. Many companies still rely on Python for production systems and new projects. Here are some advantages of learning Python in 2026. Here are some disadvantages of learning Python in 2026. Final verdict. Python worth learning in 2026? Yes. If you're a beginner, Python is still one of the best programming languages to start with. It opens doors to web development, automation, AI, data science, and many other career paths. The real question is not whether Python is worth learning. The real question is whether you're willing to stay consistent and build projects.